Hello, let's take a look at a lesson on adding fractions. Let's start with a simple question that looks at adding fractions. We have 2 over 4 plus 3 over 8. We also need to remember the parts of a fraction. The numerator is at the top of the fraction. The denominator is at the bottom of the fraction. Let's look at solving this problem by first thinking about how we will communicate the answer, even if it is just to ourselves. We learned that before we add fractions, there are a couple of rules to follow. Rule number 1, the denominators must be the same. We use the LCM strategy to determine what that will be. Rule number 2, if I multiply the denominator by a number, I must also multiply its numerator by the same number. Now we practice math speak. Practice speaking the steps you are carrying out so you can hear the steps. It helps to reaffirm what you know when you speak it out loud. Practice using the important vocabulary words that help to define the parts of a fraction. Say out loud, I see that the denominators are 4 and 8. I know that the LCM will be 8 since 4 is a factor of 8. I must multiply the denominator 4 by 2 to get 8. That will make both denominators the same. I must then multiply the numerator 2 by 2 to get 4, since rule number 2 tells me so. So once again, I have the denominator 4 and I multiply it by 2. I must also multiply the numerator by 2 to give me an equivalent fraction, 4 over 8. Now that my fractions have the same denominator, I can add them. 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8 equals 7 over 8. Recipe for learning. Once we have practiced speaking the steps out loud enough times, we get comfortable with using the vocabulary, which helps to never forget the steps and the rules.